How was your weekend?
Terrible. I was ill all weekend.
Oh dear. What was wrong?
I had a really bad cold.
What a shame. Are you okay now?
Yes, much better, thanks. And how was your weekend?
It was okay. I stayed at home on Saturday.
All right. What did you do?
I did the washing, checked my emails, watched TV, you know, the usual. And then on Sunday, I went to the cinema.
Oh, nice. What did you see?
It was called A Day in the Life.
Oh, yes. What was it like?
It was great. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I'd like to see that. Oh, we're late for the meeting. Let's go.
Hi. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks. I went away for the weekend. To Spain.
Wow. Where did you go?
We went to Madrid. It was wonderful.
Oh, great. Who did you go with?
My friend, Ingrid.
And where did you stay?
We stayed with some friends from university.
Oh, nice.
What about you? How was your weekend?
Oh, not very interesting. I worked all Sunday.
Really? What did you do?
I wrote that report you wanted. It took me 10 hours.
You're joking. When did you finish it?
At 11 o'clock last night. Here it is.
That's great. Thanks, Simon.
No problem.
Okay, let's start this meeting. Where are Emily and Tim?
Here they are.
Hi there. Sorry we're late. Emily wanted to get a coffee.
Tim?